going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you doing fine. I'm making it myself. Giddy up. We getting ready for Rob Roy. Today, we doing up Scotch, sweet vermouth, and orange bitters. Let's begin. Get you a shaker cup with some cracked ice. You can get you a cocktail glass with some cracked ice to chill the glass off, or do what I'm doing, just an old-fashioned glass with some cracked ice in it. Make it simple. Get you some scotch. I got some Chivas here, 1.5 ounces. Pour it in. Flip your jigger over. Get your 1/2 ounce end in. Sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce. Pour it in. Get your orange bitters. Couple dashes. Call it a day. Stir it up. Pop the top. There we go. Cheers, everybody. Just that simple. I can smell the orange bitters. I can taste the sweetness thanks to that sweet vermouth. It's a nice, light, refreshing drink. Goes great during the summertime too. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.